Selling means exchanging something for money or value. Selling is the foundation of the business because without selling, businesses won't be able to make money and keep running. So, number two, you need to identify all of your costs, then the cost per unit. After that, provide yourself with a markup percentage. So the formula for finding the selling price is cost price plus markup. Markup refers to the amount of retailer adds to the wholesaler's cost to determine the selling price. Markdown is the reduction in the selling price of a product. So here are the signs that you need to mark down. First is the slow moving inventory. Next, seasonal changes, damaged or outdated products, and promotional sales. Number 4, give sample problems. So in this problem, find the markup and the selling price for a basic calculator if the cost is 236 pesos and the markup is 25%. So first is we need to set up the problem. So after we set up the problem, then we need to identify the elements. So 100% is the 236 pesos or the cost of the calculator. Then the markup is 25%. So we need to find the 25% of 236 pesos. So in order for us to find it, we need to multiply the base and the rate. So the base is 236 pesos and the rate is 25%. So 236 times 25% equals 59 pesos. So 59 pesos is the markup for the calculator. After we find the markup price, then we can find the selling price. So how to solve it? We will add the cost, which is the 236 pesos, and the markup price, which is 59 pesos. So 236 pesos plus 59 pesos equals 295 pesos. So the markup price for the calculator is 59 pesos, while the selling price is 295 pesos.